Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a day 2 lecture series. In this lecture I will share some outline, some topic that we will discuss in the day 2. So main topic is that Python downloading and installation. You know that in the previous class we discussed about basics of Python in the previous classes. So in this class how you can download and install Python, but there are many things related to this topic we will discuss in this lecture series. So what are the outlines for this day 2 lecture series? Day 2 Python downloading and installation. First of all, I will share some points, some concepts, some examples in detail. Difference between Python 2 and Python 3. So here is some mistake. Here will be a th. So I will discuss with you about Python 2 and Python 3. These are two different versions that are released to work with Python programming. So I will discuss with you about what are the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Another is whether Python install or not in your system. You have to check at first whether Python install or not install in your system, because some operating system install your Python when you install any operating system in your laptop, PC. So you have to check whether Python install or not in your system. I will tell you how you can check. And it is download and installation of Python. You have to at first download Python from its official site, and then you have to install that Python. There are some instruction I have provided to you. There are different instructions you have to follow that. So how you can download and install Python. And that is next day topic. I will discuss with you what are the next day topic. So these are the points I will discuss with you in this lecture series day 2. So at first in the next class I will discuss with you what is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3.